Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Fort Knox Company, and if you're like me, you're probably installing decorations for the holiday season. Right now it's Halloween, next it's gonna be Thanksgiving, then it's Christmas, and it's New Year's, then it's 4th of July, but either way, you put some decorations outside, and so you're probably wondering how you can protect your cords and those plugs while you have everything outside in the weather. Well, I got something right here for you. They actually make plug covers, so I'll show you how they work. I'll put a link on where you can find them, and I'll also show you something that I made. So right here we have one of these plug covers. They help protect it from the weather. They have little rubber garments on them. I was able to order them off of Amazon, and I can also find them in some of the box stores. So they're pretty simple. They look like these little pods. A lot of them are just kind of pressure closed, or they have little clasps. But inside you can have the plug, has the rubber garments on either side. You can put your plug connection in there. You can also adjust some of these inside to actually kind of keep the plug together in case you pull on the wire at all. It won't loosen the connection. So it has a little bit of adjustable spaces in there, but they're pretty easy. Once you line up the wire here, you can pretty much close it, and it creates a little weather tight seal there. I've seen some other ones that I'll show you that actually have rubber on the inside, a couple layers worth, helps create more weatherproofing. But these are awesome. I wouldn't pay more than $5 for them. That's how much I found them for in multiple packs. So if you hate having to turn everything on and off every day, look at this. I created a photo sensor in line with my power cord outside so that everything down the line turns on automatically. I'll put a link in the video right here above, and I'll also put it at the end. But I'll show you how I made this and how you can make one yourself. So there you have it, straightforward, pretty easy solution. There is a solution to that problem, and also I've created that Photocell on and off daylight switch. So look at that video, check it out. I'll show you how I made it. That is a game changer. It helps everything turn on and off depending on if the sun's up or down. So you can pretty much plug in all your decorations. You can plug it into any outlet, and then you can set it and forget it. So click on that link there. Give me a like if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next build.